Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video talks about an answer to a question that is a bit difficult for many people to answer for the first time. Stay with us till the end of this video. Do you know why women's pants have zippers? Men's pants have a zipper for easy peeing. But we all know that women can't pee from a zipper. So why do women's pants have a zipper? Women's hips are wide, so there is a zipper like this for ease of wearing pants. Now you would think that there are pants without zippers. Yes, that's true. Such pants are stretchy and easy to wear. Actually, a zipper like this is used in pants that don't stretch. So, although this is a simple thing, but many people don't know about it. That's why we thought of making a video about it. So have a nice day and stay with us.